Well, most of the issues that we are facing is peer pressure, teenage pregnancy,
unemployment for youths leaving schools,
peer pressure and illiteracy,
decision making and parental issues.
Now, the whole issue of early sexual activity as it relates to decision making. Now, one of the things that we realize in our society, within the community, is that young people are giving into early sexual activity as a result of broken homes. There is no father figure.
With older men forcing you to have sex, how can young people stand up together to avoid that situation?
We should help each other. If, for example, you have a friend, she cannot provide for her basic needs, and you have it to give, please give, so that she won't go to older men, which she would have to indulge in sexual activities to get them.
For one, they should not go with the crowd. They should follow their own mind.
For decision making, we know that some of us don't have fathers as background to stand up for us.
I feel like there's an attack on the sexuality of youngsters generally, but the young girls come under heavy pressure. You know, some of the times even the music is moving them toward just dashing it out, you know. We culture have a way where we have adult clothing and I have something for the youth. So the children, there's a thin line between what is being worn, you know, it's like a half nakedness happening. So the young girls are facing this pressure and it's serious. Early pregnancy, we have to even look on the issue. So when a young girl is pregnant in a school, she have to come out and maybe go visit the women's center, but the boy maybe stay in a school.
Not because you are young people. That doesn't say you can't make mature decisions. You know what I'm saying? Your parents send you to school because they know that you have the capability to make good decisions. For example, if the teacher is teaching, you should be able to look and learn, right? So it's just like that in everyday living. Whenever things come up, obstacles and all these things, you can make good decisions.
Why are you going to waste it? Get pregnant, have to go back and get subjects at 21, 22, 25. Why would you waste this golden opportunity? Then you're going to be out on the road begging and desperate.
It's not only young girls that are being abused. Boys are being abused as well.
Talk up,
girls
Steppa.
are raped, boys are being raped, etc. by both men and women. It's a serious thing. So
one of the things that I think you miss is poor parenting.
How many of you have poor parents? You can be honest. Put your hand up if you think you have poor parents, meaning your parents aren't doing you good or they're not doing you the best that they could.
One of the solutions will be children having manners to their parents, which will help them to be able to talk to them, because some of the children cannot talk to people, which are such as adults and teachers around them.
Like the parents, they shouldn't be so quick to jump down on the children. Because for instance, if the child is having sex, they be like, where you have been here? No. You should like sit down and say, why? Why you go there? Why didn't you come to me instead of going to a man?
Why are young girls engaging in sexual activity with older men so early?
To find comfort, which most parents are not giving their teenage girls nowadays.
First, stabbing people, killing them. For instance, two boys are fighting. Next thing you know, grab pencil, scissors, or knife, stab them, kill them.
Because most of these young men can't get love, they seek to go to their friends and they make a bond. And they get so close to each other that he or she feels appreciated, and whatever the group plans to do, he or she will go with the plan.
As my students mentioned earlier, the lack of love and the poor parenting skills, the support not there from our parents, the home is the first place of socialization. And so if our parents didn't get it correct, then we are going to have a problem in society.
Bigger students are bullying the little students, the little students for their money, miss. And the bullying too, we must stop it, man, because you not get nowhere with it.
I think right now I'm running with this camera thing, you know what I mean? Because now that you spoke about sending off your children to school, and it just came to my mind now that I heard a lot of issues about things that are happening in the school bus. So I don't only believe that cameras should be installed in the schools, but also in the school bus. Yeah.
Say it after me. I have the power to create my own destiny. I am beautiful. I am confident. I am educated. I will change this nation.
Oftentimes, with me as a female, I know friends that probably they and their parents have issues or disputes, and probably they feel like they don't love them, so they end up having suicidal thoughts or probably acting it out.
Okay. And what should a child do if they feel suicidal? Who should they go to?
Find someone they can trust, not a man, like their guidance counselor or a grandparent or something.
Well, when she said don't bring your problems to a man or so forth, I don't think she literally mean, maybe she didn't put it in the right context or put it forward the right way. I think she mean don't bring it to an irresponsible man.
I think that some girls that I know of, they are engaging in sexual activities, and when they say them boyfriend no business with them and them have sex and them not care about him again, and they say me I gotta kill myself because him do this and him that, he is not worth it.
No offense, but why go on Facebook so early? Why can't you wait until you're 18 or older? Because you see on Facebook now, things they funny, we enough to see too.
Who do you consider as a good role model and why?
I consider a person who is intelligent, who makes right decisions for themselves and the people around them, who knows the steps of life, the things that are very important, who have a knowledge of the things that are happening around us, who can give a younger person or even a older person advice that is very useful to them.
First of all, I should state my role model and then I should state why.
Well, do your thing, my
My
brother.
role model is sitting right next to me.
Aww. Aww. Aww.
Okay,
Why?
He's not only my role model, but my namesake. We are both Ryans.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Bailey. He's just, words can't define the role model he is. Just to put it that, he's just this person, he sees potential in students and he tries to expand that. And so that that student can achieve well and do his best and don't give up on what he or she does.
My role model is my father, because he could have left my mother a long time ago when she had me, and he stuck through troubles and trials with us.
Put up your hand if you think condoms should be in schools. All right? No, I talk up. Tell the truth. You know what's going on. I'm not saying because you put up your hand, you want it. But if you believe as a young person that condoms should be in school, put up your hand. All right, put up your hand if you think condoms should not be in school. All right.
Well, Miss, I think that if condoms are in the schools, it will mostly bring young girls or boys to bring condoms on the school, go everywhere they want to do and have sex.
Let us look at it. A school is a place of learning. It's an institution where you come to get an education. It's the foundational place that will take you wherever you want to go in the future. Now, a school is not a sex shop. It's not a go-go club.
I would advise and I would love to see cameras in school, because sometimes many of the students are being harassed.
Put your hand up. You 7, 8, you 5. If you believe cameras should be in schools. Hand up high. Is that a suggestion that we should make to the Ministry of Education?
Yes.
Everybody is on a different journey and not everybody is willing to accept their rights, their wrongs, their good, their bad. And sometimes, youth, you have to look into yourself when you go home tonight and ask yourself if you like yourself. Think about who you are, what you do every day, what happens to you, and say, do I like myself? And if you don't like everything, find a way to change your actions so that you can like yourself.
Did not have a place to stay, but I pray to Jah for a better day. Portland youths, them now go stray, singing for the trying man and trying woman, working for a better situation. Say trying man, come on, sing along. Try